everybody, let's work on our hammer strike, or Kwan Do Kong Kyuck. Kwan Do Kong Kyuck. One more time. Kwan Do Kong Kyuck in Korean. The hammer strike. Good. Start by making a regular fist. Good. So the hammer strike gets its name because we're swinging and we're hitting the bottom of our hand. So we're swinging and we're swinging a hammer. Very good. So we're going to load. Bring this up like this. The other hand's back and down. Hey! Leave it there. Bring it up. Swing. Hey! Good. Bring it up. Swing. Hey! Bring it up. Swing. Hey! The hammer strike is the most effective to the face or to the clavicle muscles, or clavicle bones. However, if somebody's grabbing you, you can also use the hammer strike to hit their arm to break yourself free if you need to. Very effective strike because it causes a lot of damage to your attacker, but not a lot of damage to your arm. Very good. Let's add a stance. Ready? Hey! And reset. Hey! And reset. Hey! And reset. Good. Other side. Ready? Hey! And reset. Hey! And reset. Hey! And reset. Good. Let's show a variation of the hammer strike called the spinning bottom fist. So, this strike is used like in some forms or combos with spin. We're still doing the same strike, we're starting with the bottom, but now it's turning sideways rather than vertical. Good, let's try. So, the hand that's on top, that's going to be our strike again. I'm going to spin to that first set, hey! And pull it back. Very good. Other hand on top, ready, spin, hey! And put it back. Very good. So again, just a variation of the hammer strike, spinning bottom fist. You see it in forms of stuff. So the vertical variation or horizontal variation. Very good. That is our hammer fist strike, or Kwan Do Kong Kyuck in Korean. Practice what you learned. Get rocking. Hello everybody, let's look at what our hammer strike looks like on a target. Good. The hammer strike is targeting to the bridge of the face for your target, or the clavicle muscles. Again, making that solid fist, bring it down. Hey! Hey! Or smashing the face. Hey! 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 It can also be used if you're a younger student and somebody's trying to grab you, hammer their arm. Good. That is our hammer strike on a target.